KTRE 9 Storm Tracker Weather, the most accurate weather where you live.
Well, it was another spectacular winter day across the piney woods of East Texas, and the thing that made it nice was that our temperatures got out of the 50s and back into the upper 60s, and then tomorrow it's going to feel like it did yesterday, which is when our temperatures did not get out of the 50s. So that little mini roller coaster ride continues due to all the timing of our cold fronts. And right now, as we take a look outside, we've got partly cloudy skies. Again, those clouds are moving in ahead of the cold front, and it's kind of mild too, with Dorothy and southern Rusk County coming in at 61 degrees. John Rivers and Corrigan right now, our cool spot at 53. It's 60 from Dave Ocheski and South Lufkin. We also have 61 in Huntington and Broadus. And over in Houston County, Glenda Douglas, our weather watcher in Crockett right now, reporting a very comfortable 59 degrees. Now, this is the weather pattern setup we've had all week. We've been talking about these parade of cold fronts, and the weather pattern associated with it is basically a trough of low pressure dipped out across the eastern half of the country. And these oftentimes result in these Alberta clipper systems that form in Canada. They ride the upper level winds and they bring snow to the Great Lakes regions and portions of the Ohio River Valley. For us, they bring in these cold fronts. So here's the one that's going to come through tonight. There's another one up here that will probably come in late this weekend or early next week. And so again, as long as this weather pattern is set up where we have this northwesterly flow in place, this trend will continue. And it does look like that will be the case here at least over the next 4 to 5 days. The only negative to this is that with these fronts moving in, they are dry fronts. There's not a whole lot of moisture to tap into. Usually we need west coast storms to move in for that to happen. But because of this setup, again, we just kind of get clipped by these fronts, which is why we come through with very little rainfall. So there's one clipper system there moving across the upper Midwest, bringing them some more snowfall out there. For us, again, just a few clouds, and that's generally about it. And again, this front will come through later tonight. And other than some clouds, the only way you'll notice the front comes through is the winds picking up in speed. And not only will we see the winds pick up, but they'll also shift direction once again. So for tomorrow, high pressure builds in behind the front. It will be a sunny but cooler day with high temperatures struggling to get out of the 50s. And then your weekend looks very nice as well. Lots of sunshine. On Saturday, we warm up a little bit, and we'll start this warming trend as we head towards the end of the weekend as some more mild air blows in. Not warm, but just milder air before the next front arrives, say next Monday night and Tuesday. So for tonight, we stay above freezing. We're only going to get down to about 35 degrees tonight. Still light jacket weather in the morning, but notice tomorrow on your Friday, we don't warm up all that much. 51 by noon, and we'll probably top out around 56 degrees with sunshine returning. And the sunshine sticks around too for Saturday and Sunday. And with the south wind returning, again, we do warm things up a little bit. And it's possible by Monday we do hit 70 degrees. And then on Tuesday, that's when our next significant front blows in, and we may be able to squeeze out maybe a couple of showers. Notice I have the rain chance at 20%, but I just don't think we're going to see a whole lot of rain, unfortunately. And you know, we talk about this pleasant weather, we enjoy it, but we do need rain because we've been seeing, you know, some grass fires out in central Texas, and hopefully none of that stuff makes its way here.
Yeah, we talk about that. We know we need that rain, and we need to start the year off on a good start with
Absolutely.
that. All right, thanks so much, Brad.
You bet.